introduce yourself.
Oh, it's on.
Okay.
Here, I'll pause.
Just see that.
Go.
Just pause it again.
Ahoy there, ladies. I am a pirate and the captain of a ship. You're supposed to introduce yourself now.
No, we're still on the boat.
Oh, okay.
Stop it. We didn't even tell them they were on the boat.
I'm a captain of a ship in Scotland, and I am a pirate. And this story is about a pirate capturing a princess.
Next name.
It's your cue.
Go away.
Okay.
Good morning. You probably don't know who I am, but I am Princess Elizabeth II. I know that I'm not supposed to be out at the seashore, but I love the seashore, so yay!
Okay. Now what? The movie
Wait, did
begins?
you start it?
Oh.
Oh, you can't be serious.